Good morning everyone. Myself Dr. Forum Nayak. I had enrolled for course 2 and 3 base 136 in Pankaj Talwalkar sir Institute. I came from the Gujarat and this is the Gujarati food Bhakharwali made up of sesame seeds, jaggery, turmeric and a layer with besan flour. This one is the potato dried seeds chevra and this is salam pak. This is the winter food for the immunity boosting purpose made up of wheat flour, jaggery and gur.
Hi, I'm Dr. Indumati, course 136, Dr. Pankaj Talwalkar's class, and in course 2. So this I've bought peanut chicky. This is ground peanuts and jaggery. This is a very famous and very common sweet that we make in Tamil Nadu.
Hi friends, I am Dr. Leena Mehrotra from Muradabad. So I have this moong dal halwa with me here today. Normally Muradabad is famous for moong dal as such, but I could not get it because sweet dish is easy to carry. So this is made up of yellow moong dal with ghee, sugar and with the dry fruits there. And one interesting fact about it is our world famous Indian Air Force pilot Sudhanshu Shukla, who just travelled to international space, he carried this moong dal halwa along. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Mansa from Andhra Pradesh. I am a student of course 2, batch number 136 under Dr. Pankaj Talwar's class. So today I brought murukku or jantikalu of Andhra Pradesh. So it is a tea time snack. It is made of urad dal and the dough is prepared out of this rice flour and urad dal, and it is very good for tea time snack, and it can be stored for during winters and all. Thank you.
Hi, I am Dr. Dilpreet from Sri Ganganagar, Rajasthan. I bought homemade meaty rotis made from wheat flour, gur, ghee, and they have sauf as a flavoring agent in them. Thank you.
They are homemade.
So these are homemade, not by me, but homemade.
Hello, I am Dr. Sumita from course 2, 136 batch under Dr. Talwar sir. This is til bhugga, winter speciality. It has til and mawa in it and garnished with cashew. That's it.
Hello, myself Dr. Himadri Sagar Das from Bardhaman, West Bengal. Under course 2 batch 136 under Dr. Pankaj Talwar sir have brought jal bhara, special type of sandesh, and laddu. This is made up of milk and which is a sandesh. Inside it is a cavity full of new jaggery. This is the speciality of it. Thank you.
New jaggery. New jaggery means?
Gur.
New jaggery.
Fresh.
It's got good English.
Jal bhara.
Jal bhara.
स्पेशलिटी ऑफ इट इज द अंदर में जो गुड़ होता है विंटर का फ्रेश.
आई थिंक सो वो इसी सीजन में आता है ना, पूरे साल नहीं मिलता है ऐसा, दैट काइंड ऑफ
Stuffed sundaes.
Hello, hi, I'm Dr. Srilata. I'm in course 2, 136 batch. I'm from Hyderabad. I brought Karachi biscuits, fruit biscuits, these are famous in Hyderabad. We get it in only Karachi bakery. They're made up of corn flour, tutti frutti sugars. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Dr. Vijayalakshmi from Kurnool, Andhra Pradesh. I came here to attend course 2, batch number 136, Dr. Pankaj Talwar sir's training. Today I brought here, we call in our place Attarasalu. With different names and slight modifications. It is prepared in almost Karnataka and Tamil Nadu also. This is prepared with rice flour and jaggery with little crispy on the surface and soft in the center. Generally it is prepared for this festival Ariselu Andhra, Rayalaseema Adrasam.
The most difficult sweet to make is this. It cannot be prepared by anybody else except the most people will give the good pakam for this. Otherwise it comes
It
out.
can be stored for many months in fridge. We can store and we can prepare freshly.
And the flour that they make, they will keep it for 24 to 48 hours and then only they will
Whenever you
start
want, you
with
can make it
frying
also.
this.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Naveed Vyas. I came from Saudi Arabia. I have brought this, the Arab specialty khajur. There different sweets come, but I am not possible for me to bring. These khajurs come in biscuit form also. That's called mamul there. Same baked biscuit, they put khajur, some in form of sweets. Different multiple preparations of these khajurs are there.
So good.
Meena Naik. I am from Jaipur. I have enrolled for course 2 and 3 under Dr. Pankaj Talwar. I am from Jaipur, Rajasthan, and this is the speciality of Rajasthan, which is ghevar. This is a cheese ghevar. There are different varieties of ghevar they make, and this is a, I mean, there are other things also, dal bati, churma and all, but this is the best thing I like about Rajasthan. And this is khandvi, though this is from Gujarat, but it's also, widely available in Rajasthan also, yes.
Is that a sweet one? Or
This is a salt. Yeah, this is salty. This is sweet. Yeah.
So you can take the envelopes and you can pack something for your home also.
Anyone else? We are done.
I think they craft everyone. So I should start.
So this is milk coating or rice flour?
Milk.
Rice
Sandesh milk.
Because the same thing we do with the rice flour.
No. This Sandesh has milk.
We added coconut inside.
Milk dried.
Hello, I am Dr. Arafat Abdullah from Assam. I have joined course 2 and 3, batch 136 under Dr. Pankaj Talwar sir. I have brought few local things like mudi ka laddu. This is gaun ka laddu. This is चावल का है लड्डू है तिल नहीं तिल ये है तिल ये नहीं ये दिस इज millet type चावल का है and this is another kind of laddu and all this I can
In the market.
Or you prepare at home?
No, this all are prepared at home.
Prepare it
prepared
home.
prepared
We can get it in market also.
Try make this at home.